formed in Hyderabad under the aegis of Mr. R.K. Mehtaji, and he should get a lot of applause as much as possible for this cause. And same thing for you people also to join today.
Yes.
So we have got 25 members.
Is important.
He planned for 25 are here. Just now, Mr. Bhaskar Reddy sir was saying that it is for millions of people who they are living on this planet Earth, and this is for that cause only. And how to propagate? This is actually we are late. Actually, we are late, very late. People are not able. It has been discussed in Kyoto, in Paris, and so many other forums. And there is a UN's World Meteorological Organization also is working on this. I'll read out a small paragraph. In the 2015 Paris Agreement saw countries agree to cap global warming at well below 2 degrees centigrade, above average levels measured between 1850 and 1900, and 1.5 degree if possible. But just now he has referred that 2 degrees we have gone up instead of going down. So that says that what is the urgency and what is the need and what is the importance of this particular meeting today. This is the job of the departments, government, basically to take care of entire thing. But today this is the group which has really come up, at least for their own cause probably. And we have to catch up a long way. So for this purpose, I am a very small baby, maybe a month old only, when I have come to know from these two people what exactly is BIOChar. So I cannot talk much on that. There are people available in this group. There are 3 doctors. I really welcome them. One is Dr. Bhaskar Reddy Garu himself, Dr. Pramod Garu, and Dr. Raju Garu. So and then there are so many scientists, so many chemical engineers, so many agronomists, so many government officers. So I really appreciate this particular group. Is a very vivid, no doubt, but very knowledgeable group, and this is going to be expert group under the aegis of Mr. Bhaskar Reddy and Mr. R.K. Mehtaji. Now this group is trying to form core committee members and the other committee members, which I again leave it to Mr. R.K. Mehtaji to nominate, because when this much he has done, he will do further also. We have all the faith in this thing. The most important thing is we have to proceed with the education side of the BIOChar. As in Anantapur University, he said that people have enrolled en masse. So like this should go to the down to the everybody. That is the education from the students level. So this should be the subject in all the universities, in all the colleges, and all the departments. They should have slogan. What is BIOChar? Why it is there? People should know immediately what they are doing, why they are burning the fossil fuel, or how they should avoid, why they should avoid. What is the next alternative for it? So this particular job has to be taken up in Hyderabad particularly. This group has formed. I request Mr. Mehtaji to kindly propagate it as much as possible, and we are all there with you. So with this, we are going to form certain committees, and in that I request Mr. Bhaskar Reddy Garu to kindly help us, and all prominent people, all the 25 members to be taken, I think, who they have come here, who they are spending in some committee or other, so that we make it a very important role we play in the society. And we have got some industries also here who are already working in the BIOChar, like Mr. Shravan Kumar, like Mr. Goenka Group, Chandrasekhar Garu, and Mr. Mr. Sheshai Garu. So all these people, they are already in advanced stage. So probably these are the people, they can become a torch bearer for the entire thing. And Sudhakar Reddy Garu is in agriculture particularly. He is a very master in that, farms and agriculture. Sir, if you can give us guidance, particularly for the agriculture, then probably we can take. And regarding NIMSME already started one BIOChar. I think you are hosting.
And organize a seminar.
Already organized, but already you got a permanent form of biochar, a group, a scale. Kindly increase it as much as possible. And he has proposed 100 acres. This is nothing, is very small, I think. 100 acres in each districts or in each state, at least let us start at least with that, so that people get benefited. And Professor is here, who is expert in pyrolysis. Anybody is having anything about the pyrolysis to know, probably he will be the right person. Environmental Mr. Khan is there. He is environmental. He can give a lot of inputs on the particular this environment. So with these few words, I thank you all for giving me this opportunity. Thank you, sir.